Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of PHP in your Windows 10 operating system. So, let's begin. Now before installing, let us first open your command prompt, and if you just simply type php-v, then enter, you'll be seeing this PHP is not recognized as an internal or an external command. So all this means is your PHP is not installed on your machine. So for that, just simply cancel this command prompt and then just simply go to our browser, and in here just simply type php download for Windows, then enter, and then we'll be seeing this www.php.net is basically our first search result. So now just simply click on this download PHP. So this is basically the official website of PHP, and in here you can clearly see that PHP 8.0.6 is basically our latest version. So in here you need to just simply click on this Windows download. So this will automatically going to redirect you to this page, and here you can clearly see that our latest version is PHP 8.0.6. So here they have these two versions, and one is this non-thread safe and another is this thread safe. So I'll be recommending you to download this thread safe version. So for that, just simply click on this zip. I'll be also putting the link in the description, so you don't need to worry about these links and all. So you'll be getting this link right away in this description. And here, as you can clearly see, this file has been latest released on this 5th of May 2021. So the file has been rightly downloaded over here, this PHP 8.0.6. So just simply click on show in folder. And here you can clearly see our PHP 8.0.6 zip file has been rightly downloaded over here. So just simply right click on it and then just simply select this extract to PHP 8.0.6. So this will automatically going to create a new folder called PHP 8.0.6, then Windows 32 VS60 16 x64. So what I'll be doing is I'll be simply shortening this name of this folder to simple PHP 8.0.6, so that it has just a small name. And now just simply right click on it, then simply click on copy, and then you need to simply go to your C directory from here and then simply go to program files, and now just again simply right click on it and paste. And after giving, and then you need to give this administrative privileges, because you are basically installing this folder in your C directory, so you need to give that administrative privileges. And here basically your folder PHP 8.0.6 has been rightly copied over here. So just simply double click on it to go inside that folder. And now if you just simply select this address bar and then simply right click on it and then just simply click on copy to copy this address bar. And now just simply minimize your this directory and all. And now if you just simply click on this search button, and in here if you just simply type environment, you'll be seeing this edit the system environment variable. .php extension. So just simply type this much and then just simply click on enter, and you can clearly see hello world has been rightly shown in our console. So in this way you can install latest version of PHP, and I have rightly shown you how to run simple PHP code snippet even in your command prompt. So that's basically all about this video. I have this website called geekyskip.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check our website geekyskip.com. In my previous video I have also shown you how to run simple PHP program in your browser. So for that we are basically using a XAMPP server. You can always use WAMP server. So for that I have also made a video. So both these videos links will be in this I button and also in the description. So you'll be getting those links as well. So it is always recommended to run any PHP program using this WAMP server or XAMPP server, so that is basically run over any server, because PHP is basically at the end of the day is basically a server scripting language. So it is always recommended to run any PHP file in a server. So for that I'll be recommending you to watch these two videos as well. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.